Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a solution for what you should do when you got the error that the Steam is already linked to different account and what you can actually do. So the first thing that you want to do is just go to support in Google. So right here, support Faceit, and click Faceit support. Now here you just want to go to recover your account, and you need to actually find the account that you had, right? So when you go to Faceit, you need to find the account that you have linked your Steam to, okay? And if you can find the password, if you can find an email or whatever, just write, you need to find it. And let's say that this is the account. So now what I need to do, let's say that I no longer have access to my email account in the support page. So account, recover your account, or forgotten my login details, no longer have access, nice. And here you just want to click submit a request. Your email address, just write it, contact reason, we're gonna account and game management, account recovery, and Faceit account, or like I need help with my email and password. And you just like add here the full name. Or you just like go with the contact reason, Faceit account compromised, or whatever. Date of birth, you just edit here, game, like if it's a CSGO, game ID. And this is how it starts, right? So yeah, that's the best way how we can do it. Date of birth, subject, game ID, you just edit here, like your Steam, and subject, can't access account, forgot my email I registered with, and you just add here the description, what was happening, you add here all the information that you can, and maybe then they can allow you to use the account. So someone from support will contact you, and this is the only way how we can do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching, and if you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yep, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.